Hi everybody, just want to give y'all a quick rundown of what it looks like here in our winter wonderland here in Orange, New Jersey. See a couple of people out on the roads, moving slowly, folks walking. Seen a couple of plows, but for the most part, as you can see, wow, it is a lot of snow. Yes, as they call it, a winter wonderland. I'm going to stick this here in the snow, show you how deep it is. This is a ruler, by the way. I'm just going to stick it down right here in front of the walkway. Well, that's a 12-inch ruler, and it goes all the way down, so that means that it's probably about 14 there, maybe. As you can see, that's 12 going down, or the net. Alright, try and stay out of this, everyone, if you can. Most of the schools up here are closed. A lot of the buses are not moving. Daughter's happy. Of course, she's in bed. Stay warm if you're gonna go shovel. Try and do it. Take your time. Don't hurt your back. Be careful. Slippery. Alright. Have a good one, everyone. Bye-bye.